Hey friends, it's me Stace. Today we're using our Cricut machine to make this really fun Happy Halloween card. There's the outside, then we have the inside as well. Let's go to the computer and we'll get started. Alright, here we are at the computer. I'm already logged into Cricut Design Space. I am also on the welcome screen. We're going to go right below where it says recommended for you and click on card making. Doesn't really matter what category you click on. We'll do birthday. Then you want to go to the far right and click on where it says see more. In the search box at the very top, we're going to type in Halloween Witch and click on enter and find the card we're making, which is this one right here. Happy Halloween Candy Card is what it's called. I'm going to click on that. It's going to bring up a preview window. Very bottom, choose Customize. All right, so here is our piece here. The first thing I'm going to do is right click on it and choose Detach. That way it separates the two pieces. Then on this one, I want to hide all these little corner pieces. So go ahead and click on that one. Bottom right hand corner of Design Space, click on Contour. And we're just going to go ahead and click on each one of these pieces to hide that. That way that one's done. On this one, I want to hide the outer border as well. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that one, click on Contour, and then click on this top piece there. That way we don't have any kind of border around it. All right, bring this piece back over inside there. Highlight them both, right click and choose a group. Now what I want to do is create a template. Left hand side toolbar, we're going to click on shapes. I'm going to click on a square. I'm going to change the color of that to be white. All right, so now I'm going to go to the very top, unlock the lock. I'm going to make this piece be 4 by 5 1/4, which is typically our mat for an A2 size card. I'm going to bring this one over. If you need to, right click on it and choose bring to front. Now just make it be as large as you want it on this piece there. I'm going to highlight everything, right click on that, and then choose attach. So that piece is done. Left hand side toolbar again, we're going to click on another shape, click on a square, again make that piece be white. We're going to resize this one again, so make sure the lock is unlocked. This time this is going to be 3.75 by 5 tall. This is going to be for the inside of our card. Left hand side toolbar, I'm going to click on images. In the search box, I'm going to type in the word witch, click on enter. Then over here on the left hand side, I'm going to click on the plus sign on operation type and go down and click on draw only and find the witch I use, which is this one right here. I'm going to click on that, add to canvas. Now we're going to resize her to make her fit on, make her fit on our card here. I think about there. She's about 1 inch tall. So I like the witch the way she is. I'm going to highlight both of these pieces, right click, and then choose attach. All right, upper right hand corner, click on make it. I'm going to change my mat to a regular mat. All right, so we have the white piece for the inside. So you'll need another mat on the inside of the card. I'm using a black mat, so my black mat measures 4 by 5 1/4 for the inside. This will layer on top of that. This is the card front. So you'll see it's going to use the pen first, so it's going to draw all these pieces out as well as that little witch there. Then it's going to cut that piece out and cut that piece out. I'm going to click on continue, cut everything out, go to the table, and we'll put the card together. All right, we are back. All of our pieces are cut out. So I'm going to first take my card base. This is Paper Tray Ink Orange Zest, and this is 8.5 by 5.5. You want to score that at 4 1/4. Then we have a piece of black. This piece is 4 by 5 1/4. Then I have the pieces that we made in Design Space, and then this piece of, this is heat transfer vinyl that's glittery, and this piece is cut, let me see if I measured it, I believe it's 3.5 by 4. Alright, so the first thing I want to do is flip this over and put this piece behind it. Now because it is glitter, it's not going to hold down with glue, so just go ahead and grab some Scotch tape to hold that down for you, and you'll want to make sure you do all the way around. I didn't have a green glitter cardstock I liked, so I remembered I had this, and I thought, why not use this instead, right? It'll work. All right, one more piece of tape. So you want to make sure that all of your ends, all the sides are glued down. All right, that's what that looks like. Super cute. All right, now I'm going to take some foam squares. We're gonna pop this one up. I'm gonna use quite a few. So I'm gonna do all 4 corners. And also the sides. So 3 on the sides. And I'm going to put 2 in here, but you want to make sure you put the glue. So if I put the glitter dot there, or my glue dot there, my foam square, you're going to see it through that vinyl. So just go up a little bit and then down some. Okay, just like that. I give all that a good little squish and take the backings off. So it's a super fast card. Pretty much Design Space did all the work for us, right? By using the pens. Okay, make sure I got them all off, and I did. All right, let's go ahead and put this on the front. All right, so we have that. Super cute. Right now we have the inside. I apologize if you hear the jet. They're doing training, I guess. So they've been going on all day today. Alright, so we're going to put this piece on the inside. And I just chose the orange cardstock, of course, because it's Halloween color, but also it contrasts with the green, I thought, really well. Witch on the inside. I was going to do a pumpkin or witch's potion, but I thought, yeah, we'll do the witch. All right, so there you have it, my friends. Super easy little card. So there's that one there, and I have a card kit as well for you. So to be entered in the card kit, leave me a comment below with some kind of a Halloween emoji, and I'll pick a winner this coming Sunday. So you get all the pieces, you'll get an envelope, then you'll get a finished card as well as the envelope. So you have one to make and one to mail to a friend. All right, any questions, my friends, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.